3-phase 4-wire. ABC 0 line. Access control box. L1, L2, L3 0 line, connected properly for normal power supply. These are heated 0 line. Heating 0 line, heating, 2 heating plates. Hot mixer. Cold mixer. 2 0 line. Temperature measurement, cold mixer, hot mixer, materials, hot mixer, heating. UVW is a 5.5 hot mix machine. Cold mixer. There are corresponding wire numbers on it. This is a protective wire connected to the ground wire. No need to set up here. This is the main switch. This is a frequency converter that controls 5.5. This is second gear cold mixer. 2 heating plates. Control loop. This is the temperature release timer in automatic mode. Normally, no setting is required. Below is the cold mixer, heating. These are the startup of the main thermal mixer that controls the solenoid valve. This is the lid switch for the hot mix machine. Twist and open the lid. Close. Feeding. Add ingredients here. Then start it up. This is the start button for the hot mix machine. You can set the time of the hot mix machine here. Open the lid settings. Seconds, minutes, and hours can be switched freely. Numbers can also be set arbitrarily. Set the speed of the hot mix machine here. Now it's 609 revolutions. Rotary adjustment. Maximum 1500 revolutions per minute, 50 Hz. These are the parameter buttons for adjusting the frequency converter. No need to set up. This is the temperature controller of the cold mixer. The red light that lights up here indicates that the set temperature is lower than the heating temperature. Adjust the temperature slightly higher according to the settings. Alarm off. Temperature control protection of cold mixer. The heating temperature here. After reaching 110 degrees, the red warning light will light up here. Both sides are the same. If the set temperature is exceeded, a red light will light up. This is over temperature protection, which will light up a red light if it exceeds the temperature limit. The discharge indicator light will turn green when turned on. Close. This is the indicator light for the feeding switch. This is the power indicator light. Turn on the main switch inside and the indicator light will light up. After turning off the main switch, all lights on the control box will turn off. When starting up, you need to turn on the main switch from the inside. This is the emergency stop button. Press it down, all the lights will go out except for the frequency converter. The power indicator light is only displaying normally. In emergency stop situations, none of these buttons can be pressed. Cold mixer, hot mixer all stop rotating. For example, has a certain inertia and will not stop immediately. This is the startup of the hot mix machine. This is the stop button for the hot mix machine. Press to stop the hot mix machine from running. This is a heating switch. Normally, Thermal oil needs to be added and cannot be burned dry. After opening, the red light will turn on. Start heating. After opening, this contactor closes. Charging when closed. This is controlled heating, not opened. If you need heating, you must turn on this switch. Turn on when heating is needed, turn off when not needed, because the heating plate is prone to burning out when it is dry burned. Close. Heating off. This is the lid switch for the cold mixer. This is manual and automatic mode. Now pointing to manual mode. This way, it's manual mode. Turning this way is in automatic mode. Now it's automatic. Then start the hot mix machine. This is 13 seconds. In automatic mode. Look here. Here's a 7-second period. After the time has come, the cylinder will close. After closing it, we may have already run out of materials. After release, it needs to be manually closed. After closing, you can proceed to the next step of feeding. Feed and stir continuously with the cold mixer started. If the cold mixer is not started, add a lot of ingredients. It will generate significant resistance and cannot rotate. It means keeping rotating while braking. For example, if it is confirmed that all the materials inside have been added, you can stop it now. It's still spinning inside, you don't need to worry. In manual mode, it will not immediately stop rotating either. The difference between automatic and manual. Auto is here to stir for 13 seconds, and the cylinder will automatically open. After 7 seconds inside, the cylinder automatically closes. This cylinder will automatically close. After closing it, at the same time as opening, start the cold mixer. After the time has come, cylinder closed. After stopping, this is manual mode. Open. Close. In manual mode, if stirring is required, turn on the cold mixer first. Then add the ingredients again. If there are many materials, join all, there is a lot of resistance. It won't start up. Manual mode. After adding the ingredients, press this cold mixing switch. Let it rotate. Automatic mode. This switch will automatically turn on after the material is unloaded. This is the difference between the two modes. This is a cold mix shutdown. This is the feeding switch. Cold mixer, feeding. The feeding indicator light will light up when the switch is turned on. This switch does not have an automatic mode and needs to be manually turned on. When cleaning, we need to open the lid. Always in an open state. Ensure safety. If you open and put down the lid, clean up like this. This operation is incorrect. Must be opened. The correct way is to keep the lid lifted all the time. This can prevent erroneous operations and ensure safety. You can also clean it after cutting off the power. Disconnect the power and gas sources. We need to unplug the main gas source here. After the pressure gauge reaches 0, it can be removed, then go clean it up. The pressure gauge is usually set to 0.3 megapascals. Pull up. Clockwise rotation increases the air pressure. Rotate counterclockwise, the air pressure decreases. approximately adjusted to around 0.3 megapascals. After adjusting, press down. Unscrew the lid above. Add thermal oil from here. For example, opening this lid. Pull the handle upwards and open the lid. Then release the handle. Press the lid open button on the control panel to automatically raise the lid. When closing the lid, button it up like this, press it down, cover tightly and maintain sealing. The lower one here is the water inlet. The higher one over there is the water outlet. Open the lid switch. Open and lift the lid, then rotate the lid over. Close the lid, then buckle it up. The lid here is also operated like just now. First, lift the lid, turn it around, close the lid, and then close it. Above is the oil inlet. Below is the oil outlet. Unscrew and drain the oil. When opening the lid of the blender, there will be a certain amount of airflow rushing down. This mouth can release the air pressure inside. This is a cover plate seal for backup.